Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Janvi Behra, and in today's video I'm going to tell that how can you remember the words, because many of you have been commenting that when I try to speak in English I don't remember words. The words doesn't come from my mouth. So let's get started. Okay, so the first reason that the word doesn't come to your mind when you try to talk in English is that you don't know enough words. Yes, if you don't know the words, how will it come to you when you are trying to speak? So first of all, you have to learn some words. And let me tell you the method that how will you learn the new words and still remember it without forgetting. So when you're watching a movie, when you're listening to a song or any blog or any educational videos, and you found a new word that you don't know, or maybe you know that but you don't use that in your daily life. So first of all, write that down, search the meaning of that word in Google, in ChatGPT, or in anything. Search the meaning of the word and then ask ChatGPT to give some sentences, simple sentences, daily use sentences, and it will give you. Okay, and write down those simple sentences in your note and try to repeat that sentence to yourself few times. This way you are gonna learn how to use a word, and you will remember the word and you will use it in your daily life as well. Okay, so this is the method that I used to watch. I didn't learn word like today I will learn 5 words and then I will remember it, I will memorize it. No, I didn't do it. Okay, I used to watch movies, and from the movies, if I don't understand a word and if I found a new word, I used to write it down on my note, and then I used to search the meaning, and then I used to ask ChatGPT to give me few simple sentences using the word, and then I used to speak that word to myself and try to make a video of me holding my mobile phone, and I used to try to use that word in the video. I used to use this word, and that's how I remember. Okay, and even till this day I kind of forgot, I have kind of forgotten the words that I had learned when I started learning English, because I am not using them anymore because lack of time, and I am so busy. That's why it's all happening. But after I finish my exam, I'm gonna learn advanced words and I will teach you as well. So yeah, that's how you can learn new words, and that's what I did. And I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. So till then, take care, keep learning, keep shining, and bye.